If you've been going to the Bricklink website, you're probably getting very used to seeing this image of the Stormtrooper maintenance going on. And you're also getting used to the fact that it says the website is currently unavailable and they're working on several solutions to try and fix this issue. I've been getting a lot of emails regarding Bricklink and what's going on and are they closing forever? The quick and short answer is no. They are not closing forever. They are just having some difficulties, and what those difficulties were, my understanding is anyway, Bricklink has simply fallen into the matrix, and we are simply waiting to have Keanu Reeves come to the rescue. Okay, on a serious note, is that some information from some of the sellers, buyers, whatever the case may be, had been leaked out, and they're trying to prevent any future problems from occurring. But here is a really great place to stop and talk to you about something else, because I know a lot of people are panicking on where can they get their parts. A lot of people do not want to buy parts directly from Lego because they do not buy in the insane size quantities that I do. And for me, a lot of times it is cheaper to buy directly from Lego, but there are other options out there, guys. And this is an excellent opportunity to introduce you to those. If you've never heard of the website called Brickable, I highly recommend you check them out. Here's the awesome thing with Brickable. A lot of the sellers that are on Bricklink that you know, trust, and love are the same people that are selling parts on Brickable. Here's the other big bonus with Brickable. There's no taxes. When I say there's no taxes, don't get me wrong, you're not paying no taxes at all. But it's not like Bricklink now, because Lego owns Bricklink and Lego has a store in every single state. They charge a tax, a state tax, for every sale that is made on Bricklink now. That does not occur with Brickable because they do not have, or they are not part of, a large corporation with stores all across the United States. So they're not obligated to that rule of paying, or charging, I should say, sales tax for every single sale. And here's another benefit. Because they don't charge all those sales taxes and fees, because they do have a smaller fee charge for the sellers as well, a lot of times you're going to find the parts are a lot cheaper on Brickable than you could ever find them on Bricklink. I know I said I wasn't going to make a lot of videos coming up, but this is a video I felt really needed to be made because of the mass number of emails I'm constantly getting, messages and everything else regarding Bricklink. Again, I do want to say, I do not think that Bricklink has ended. I do not think it's going away forever like a lot of people seem to be thinking, but it's just simply a short-term problem and they're trying to find a quick resolution to get themselves back up and running. I would probably guarantee Bricklink will be up and running again by the end of the week. But again, check out Brickable because I don't think you will be disappointed.